Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today video title guys, how can we fix three finger screenshot problem. Friends, we want to fix guys your three finger screenshot problem. So how can we fix? Friends, you can see guys when you swipe down your three fingers, so friends, screenshot take automatic. So how can we fix guys this problem today? Friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So open your phone setting to fix it. After on phone setting guys, you will have to on guys your phone system setting guys. Click on guys your oppo mobile guys phone system setting, and friends you can see the stuff setting in your oppo phone device. So friends, click on guys this cacher setting, and once you can see guys this second option, swipe down three finger screenshot guys, you will have to tap on guys this icon means guys this setting will off. So once you can see guys, you can use your three finger on your screen without any screenshot setting. So like that guys, you can fix guys your three finger screenshot problem in your oppo phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.